In this video we're going to look at the effects of an increase in real government transfer payments. To do that we're going to look at the effects of an increase in real federal transfers amounting to 1% of the base solution GDP. I'm assuming that we've already set up a baseline solution, so what we need to do here is to set up a scenario 1 solution corresponding to the increase in transfer payments. I've got to create a series for that scenario, so to do that I'm going to use a short program. So I click on New Program, and then I'm going to set the sample to the full period here, 2014 quarter 1 through to 2022 quarter 4, and then I'm going to set the series here TRGHQ, which is real federal transfer payments, _1 for scenario 1 equals TRGHQ, that's the federal transfer payments contained in the data set, plus 0.01 multiplied by GDPR _0. And then I'm going to set the sample period to the period that I want to use for my simulation, which is 2014 quarter 1 through to 2021 quarter 4. Then I run this program, and that's created my series for the simulation. I can minimize this program now and go back to my model object here, and under scenarios I want to look at scenario 1 here, and I want to set as the override the series TRGHQ. Click on OK. Before we set this model to solve, we need to change the convergence criterion. This is because in the past when I've tried to solve this model with the default eView convergence criterion, it's failed to solve. So I'm going to click on Solver here and then reset the convergence criterion from 10 to the minus 8 to 10 to the minus 6, and it should now solve. If I click on OK, the model will now start to solve. Once we've solved the model for scenario 1, we can look at the results. Again, one important result to look at is the impact on US real GDP. So to examine that, we type show GDPR _0, which will give us the base solution GDP, and GDPR _1, which will give us the GDP in the scenario 1. We can also look at the percentage difference by typing 100 multiplied by GDPR _1 divided by GDPR _0 minus 1. Hit return. This gives us the following screen here, and we can see that the peak effect is coming around 25 quarter 2 here.